Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a really quick video. It's like almost 10 o'clock at night, I think, and Jake just got back from the hospital, so it's been like a busy day, but I really wanted to hop in here to show you the February subscription kit because I finally finished all of it. Like, I didn't even have time to fix my nails, so like these three are missing. I hope y'all don't mind. Anyway, tomorrow I feel like I'll be slightly more put together. Let's get started. So the February subscription comes with die cuts, 4 quarter sheets, and a full kit. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the die cut. I missed a sheet. Okay, I'll tell you which one I missed. Anyway, die cuts. So you get 4 die cuts. You have a little bean pillow. You've got some pretty pink florals, and then you have 2 trays. This is like our signature coffee tray that we always do with a bunch of different designs. And this is like a little tiny tray with a mug and some florals. And so that right there those are the die cuts. And then let me show you the quarter sheets. These are like my favorite that I've made so far. These flat lays might be my all-time favorite. So you have this little like notebook that says lists with florals, and then you have these sheets that say to do and today with a little pen, and it's just very floral, very pretty. I feel like it's not only great for Valentine's, but like all spring you can use this, maybe even summer. And then you have that coffee tray that I showed y'all in the die cut. This is like the full sheet. You've got these dividers. Oh my god, I adore these. Let me show you real quick. I used them in this spread that I did, and they fit perfectly inside the PP Weeks or Happy Planner pages, Erin Condren pages. They're just perfect. And then we've got a little bean sheet holding a mug, and I think anybody that watches my stories knows that I am obsessed with my Nespresso. So this kit had a little Nespresso in it. And so those are the 4 quarter sheets you get. And the one sheet that I totally forgot to make and print out for this video is the tiny little sampler sheet. Rambo, calm down, man. I got him locked up in here because he sleeps with me while Jake is sick, and then Bean sleeps with him in our bedroom. I sleep in the guest bedroom because I cannot get sick. But Rambo's a handful. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, the little deco sheet. Let me let him out to run around. Go, run. Okay, so the little deco sheet, I'll show you some of the art that it's gonna include that I put on the kit. So anyway, quarter sheets. And then, oh my gosh, this kit though is like one of my favorites, but I'm not supposed to say that because I say that all the time. So you've got this little bedroom scene with a hidden book, and you got a bookshelf, and you've got a little bean pillow right there. You've got candles, more florals. I love this scene. And then I told you guys, I feel like I told you when, I don't know if it was the new last release video or just recently though, I told you guys that I was obsessed with just drawing like doorways, and I don't know why. It's just my thing right now. And then you see the little bean there, home sweet home, it's good to be home. Here's the Nespresso making an appearance. Super cute. It's all very just home themed and like home decor, but I really wanted to do pinks because I had in mind the purple kit that I made, I think was for November, and so I wanted to make this kit all pink. But when I had all the boxes pink, it looked super Valentine's-y, and then when I added the blue, I was just blown away. Like, it completely changed the kit. So here, I love this bottom washi. It's just a bunch of florals, some little hearts, and then just the little home signs there. Then you've got the headers and other stickers, and then you've got half boxes, quarter boxes, and all that good stuff. So that is the full kit in the vertical format. Also comes in Happy Planner and horizontal. And then let me show you super quick the Hobonichi and PP Weeks. So, because those are like totally different from like the horizontal and classic Happy Planner, which are pretty similar to the vertical. Sorry if you hear Rambo squeaking his toy. He's got so much energy still, even though it's late. Anyway, the Hobonichi kit comes with 4 sheets. Let me see if I can lay them all out. This one right here has 2 sets of date covers. You got the bottom washi and some more washi strips. Then you've got more washi strips and then some functional stickers. Here you've got all of your full boxes and these little like boxes that you put, well, I always put them like on the second page in that little area, like the gridded area. And then you got some little like quarter boxes there. And then you have some more functionals here, some words, these dividers, which are my favorite. Rambo, don't squeak. And then a ton of checklists and little sticky note boxes. So you get a ton of stickers for the Hobonichi. I feel like definitely enough, actually like 100% definitely enough for 2 spreads, because I've used the Hobonichi kits before and you always have so many leftover stickers. So that's the Hobonichi version, and then let me show you the PP Weeks. It's pretty similar, just 4 pages, but so many stickers. So you got some full boxes here. You've got habit trackers, this thing, bottom washi. My brain is kind of fried. And then this, I'm pretty sure this is like our basic PP Weeks kit that we have in the shop. And then I just added more functionals here. So a bunch of boxes, another full box here with some icons. And then you have even more headers here, like these are all to do, these are all today, and then you have next week, groceries, errands, little things, more boxes, more functionals. This kit I feel like is so perfect if you're using the PPB6. In fact, I'm probably gonna plan with that next, like right now after this video, just to see how this full kit fits in the B6. I kind of wanted to use a vertical kit, which is what I used last week, and it was perfect, but I'm just curious to see how all these stickers fit there. So anyway, this is the PP Weeks kit. And, oh, of course, I gotta show you the washi. So it comes with an exclusive washi. So you see here, actually, I have it rolled out so I can show you. So the washi tape comes with like the florals, the little home tray, the bean pillow, this little like floral archway, which I love. And then you've got the doorway, and then the pattern just repeats. But it is like so gorgeous. I love how it matches that. It's got like a little purple tinge where the blue meets the pink, and it is just super pretty. So anyway, that is the February kit. The last day to sign up for it is February 10th, unless it sells out before that. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will be planning with this kit. I don't know what video I'm going to put up first, so if I haven't put that one up, then I'm going to be planning with this kit coming up this week. And if I already put it up, then you know I used it. So I'll be back with a video very soon. Bye!